Hey friends, hope you're having an awesome day. In this video I'm going to be drawing a simple, cute and simple Christmas tree character. I'm going to show you step by step. So all you need to get started is some paper and something to colour in with and to draw with. So let's go. Alright, so let's start at the top of the Christmas tree. I'm going to draw a little star. Normally you have a star on top of a Christmas tree, but yeah, if you wanted to, you can do something else, maybe a little heart shape or any other little symbol. Maybe draw a little angel, but let's go with a star. So I'm going to draw a 5-pointed star. We start at the top here, we go down, side, like this. There we go. So a very basic star I'm going to draw there. Now we're going to draw a tree, and we're going to draw a tree, a traditional sort of Christmas tree, and we're going to have about maybe 3 sort of branches sticking out on the side. So let's go and start from just underneath the star, and we go one curve like that. We stop about here, and then we do another small curve going back up like that, and then we just repeat that shape, but every time going out a little bit wider, and then another one. Just like that. We're going to stop there. We're going to do one more little curve at the bottom here. Alright, and then we just do the same on the other side. Alright, so once you've done that, that's our Christmas tree shape. It doesn't have to be perfect on every side because trees aren't perfect. It makes it look interesting anyway. Alright, next part. Let's draw a little tree trunk. It's a very easy shape, kind of a rectangle shape with a bit of a curved bottom there like this, and go back up there. Nice and easy. Alright, let's draw its face. I'm going to draw a super cute face, and I'm going to draw its eyes. Just 2 big circles. Now, the way that you colour in your eyes, you can do it any way you want. You can colour it all in, or you can draw another little circle in here for its pupils and colour that in. I can make it look like a silly Christmas tree. Like that. And I normally leave a little bit of white in there that kind of adds a bit of highlight to the eyes. And let's draw in between here. I'm going to draw it quite high actually. A little smiley face there. Again, it's a very simple mouth. It's just a U shape, but you can do any other mouth shapes that you like. Alright, so that's the line work done. You can see it's a very simple, easy Christmas tree. The next part we're going to do is to colour it in. Alright, and we're back. We've finished colouring in, and it's actually a very easy, simple character to colour in. There's only just 3 colours, yellow, a bit of green, and a bit of brown. But if you want to add some more details, you can add shadowing that we've done, some highlights. I've thickened the outlines of the character as well so it stands out. And I've just added some details in the tree as well. So I've added, for darker green, some lines in there so you can see a bit of the texture of all the pine cone leaves. And also I've added a few little bits, you can see here little white spots everywhere, so it looks like it's just been come out from outside. If you're in the northern hemisphere, obviously it may be snowing, and it's got a bit of snow on the tree as well. If you wanted to add more detail, you could go full out, and you could add in all your normal Christmas decorations, all your baubles and all your tinsel and all the other things you normally hang up in the tree. And that's really up to you. You can go crazy, be creative, and have a lot of fun with this character. The other thing that you can do is cut this out, get some string and hang it up on your Christmas tree as a Christmas decoration, which is a great idea. Or you can make this into a card and give that to your favourite friend or a family member. And I'm sure they would appreciate a handmade card by you as well. Alright, I hope you followed along and had lots of fun making our little Christmas tree, and it's very simple to do, as you can see, but you can go crazy, get real creative, put lots of little details, Christmas decorations and things like that, make it fun. Thanks for watching, follow along, we've got other Christmas videos as well if you want to do some more Christmas drawings. We'll see you next time.